Hi, Josh Giumelli from Farming Ahead magazine, and this month's workshop is on lithium-ion batteries and whether they're a risk or not for fire in the workshop. Most of our lithium-ion batteries in the workshop are going to be for cordless tools like this one, and so generally speaking, if you stick to brand name batteries, brand name tools and chargers, you're going to be okay. If you start using aftermarket batteries and things like that, you might have a problem. But this is a quality battery, and you can see that it's actually started to swell. That's pushed the casing apart. So in the interests of science and safety, we're actually going to trigger a runaway, a thermal runaway on this battery. So we're trained professionals. Don't try this at home.